Hey, if your Keurig Descale light won't turn off, even after you cleaned it, yeah, that can be pretty annoying. The good news is it usually just needs a proper reset or a full Descale cycle completed correctly. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to fix the Keurig Descale light step by step. First, make sure the Descale process was fully completed. A lot of times the light stays on because the machine didn't detect a complete cycle. To do this properly, fill the reservoir with a descaling solution or a mix of equal parts, white vinegar and water. Then run brew cycles without a pod until the reservoir is completely empty. After that, refill with clean water and run at least 2 full tanks of fresh water through the machine. This rinse step is important. Skipping it can keep the light on. If the light still won't turn off, your model may require entering descale mode manually. On many newer Keurig machines, press and hold the 8-ounce and 12-ounce buttons together for about 3 seconds. You should see the descale light start blinking. Once in descale mode, run the full descaling process again until the machine indicates it's finished. Still stuck? Try a power reset. Turn off the machine and unplug it from the wall. Leave it unplugged for about 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah, give it a little time. Then plug it back in and turn it on. In some cases, this clears the descale warning. If the light still won't go away, mineral buildup might be affecting the internal water sensor. Remove the water reservoir and clean the valve area at the bottom. Use a damp cloth to wipe around the connection point, then reattach the reservoir firmly and try another rinse cycle. If you've completed a full descale cycle, rinsed thoroughly and reset the machine, but the light still stays on, the internal sensor may be malfunctioning. At that point, you may need customer support or consider replacement. So yeah, most of the time, the descale light won't turn off because the full rinse cycle wasn't completed or descale mode wasn't activated properly. Follow these steps carefully and it should reset. Hopefully your Keurig is back to normal and your coffee routine stays uninterrupted.